Hello my doves, my name's Olympia. I'm from Aphrodite by Olympia and I'm here at Designer Brands headquarters to give you guys a tutorial on how to do makeup for deep skin. So we're going to start with brows. So I'm going to take their Brow Master Creamy Brow Pomade in the shade Chocolate. I'm going to use the Skin Quencher Primer and Moisturizer with vitamin E, C, aloe vera and hyaluronic acid to prime my face. Next comes foundation, and I'm happy to say that Designer Brands now have 3 new deep shades. I'm going to be using 2 of those shades, Deep Honey and Light Cocoa, in their Luminous Hydrating Formula. Next, we're going to do some concealing. I'm going to be using some of the Designer Brands Longwear 24-Hour Foundation Formula in the shade Deep Honey. And I'm going to be mixing it with their Glow This Way Illuminating Concealer in the shade Honey. I'm going to use the Glow Get Me Pressed Bronzer in the shade Chestnut. It is brown, but not deep enough to really contour, but you can still use it to set your makeup underneath your eyes. Now, to go ahead and create more definition, I'm going to take another foundation. This is in also the 24-Hour Longwear Foundation. Once it's nice and sheared out, you just want to tap it onto the areas that you want to contour. Now, to set the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Designer Brands Natural Brown Minerals Finishing Illuminator. I'm just going to go in, tap off the excess. Now we're going to go in with the Brilliant Skin Blush and Illuminator Duo in the shade Afterglow. Now, if you've got deep skin, this is the perfect one for you. I'm going to go into that highlighter shade, tap off the excess. Next, we're going to do blush, so going into that same palette. We're going to move on to eyes. I'm going to be using the I Love It 12 shade eyeshadow palette in the shade Keep It Neutral. I'm going to take the shade in the nude, which is this one just here. I'm also going to use this shade to... Taking another fluffy brush, I'm going to go into that red shade because I just want a soft wash of that red in that crease. We're going to start with the inner corner first. Take it on a shader brush. We are going to spray it wet. And we're going to go in the inner corner first. Tap it on to the outer edge. Now we're going to do a wing liner. I'm going to be using the Designer Brands Cream Gel Liner 24-Hour Wear in the shade Black. After the liner's down, and it's quite a bold liner, I must say, I am now going to put on some lashes. I'm going to be using the style Feisty. And you go one end, other end. This is the Extender Lash Mascara, and I'm just going to go over my natural lashes underneath. So we're going to finish off the look with the lip. I've got the Stix Creamy Matte Lip Crayon in the colour Mad for Mauve. And we're just going to pop that on. No liner. And there you have it, guys. This is the finished look.